Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes in Sweden. The Swedish tax agency, Skatteverket, provides an efficient e-service for this annual obligation. Most individuals receive a pre-filled tax return, making the process straightforward. It's crucial to review all details carefully and ensure accuracy before submission. This digital method is the most common and recommended way to fulfill your tax duties in Sweden, simplifying the process for everyone. Once you receive your tax declaration, usually in March, your first step is to access it through Skatteverket's online portal. Many details, like your income and some deductions, will already be pre-filled by your employer or bank. Take your time to meticulously review every section. Verify that all reported figures are correct and add any additional income or eligible deductions that might be missing from the pre-filled form. Accuracy here prevents future issues. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. And on another note, if your car could use a refresh, why not grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener? It's a classic for a reason. You can find the link to this product and other great deals in the video description below. Your support helps us create more videos. Now let's get back to the video. After reviewing and making any necessary adjustments, the next step is to submit your tax return. The easiest and most common method is to approve it digitally using your Swedish e-identification, such as Bank ID. The official deadline for submission is typically May 2nd. If you need to make changes, you must use the e-service. Always keep a digital or physical copy of your submission confirmation for your records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.